morning, teacher and classmates. Today my group confirmed by Dylan Robando, Dana Marcelo, Launa Bernal, Ariel Tejada, Deo Guillén, and my present, Irene de Leon. I'm the honor to present the experiment Do the Plants Breath. The experiments are with a plant and a candle. We're gonna use a glass bell and we prove that oxygen is necessary to immunity and the plant produces oxygen and the light is necessary to the photosynthesis.
In the first experiment, we can see how the candle is beginning a ignition. As we know, ignition needs oxygen. So, as soon as we add the bell, the candle slowly turns off.
In the experiment 1.2, we can see how the candle and its ignition is more large than experiment 1. This is because in photosynthesis, the plant is producing oxygen and the candle can stay um, longer.
In this video, we can observe how the candle slowly turn off. This is because the oxygen combustion is made of oxygen, heat, and a fuel element. We can see how the candle is on, but when we add the bell, the oxygen is being consumed, ending the candle running out of the turning off. When can say is necessary for the candle to ignite and stay on. Also, the ambient light don't really affect the duration of the ignition. Is similar with or without light.
With this experiment, we could see a similar result with experiment 1.2. The candle stay a little more time on because the plant is producing oxygen. Photosynthesis is helping with the oxygen needed in ignition, but when we cut out the light, we could see a variation of 10 seconds less comparing with the experiment 1.2. This is because the photosynthesis needs light to produce energy and oxygen.
For concluding the experiment, we saw and proved that, in first place, oxygen is necessary in ignition, as we saw in experiment 1 and 2. In second place, that plants produce energy. We could show this in experiment 1.2 and 2.2. And in third place, we could prove that light was needed in photosynthesis. Cutting out the lights was a factor which decreased the duration of ignition because of the oxygen production. After all the experiments, we can conclude that this one was successful. We proved all the points and learned more about photosynthesis. Thanks for watching.